Patagonia sits at the far southern edge of South America, shared between Chile and Argentina. Some areas here are so remote that the nearest town can be hundreds of kilometers away. Patagonia was shaped by glaciers over millions of years, and many of them still exist today. The Andes Mountains continue through Patagonia for thousands of kilometers. Some of the water here comes directly from ancient ice fields and mountain snow. Roads can continue for hours without signs of life. Strong winds move through Patagonia almost every day. Silence feels different here. Very little here feels controlled by people. And maybe that's why Patagonia still feels untouched. Patagonia reminds you how small human life actually is. Entire regions here remain difficult to reach even today. Very few places left in the world still feel this far away from everything else.